Hello everyone. In the last video, you have seen what is the probability. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4.2. Okay. Now, first question. List the outcomes you can see in this experiment. Okay. We have to list the outcomes. Right. Now, first spinning wheel. What can be the outcomes? Outcome can be A, B, C, and D. There are only four possible outcomes A, B, C, and D. Right? Now tossing two coins together. Tossing two coins together. What are the possible outcomes? Now see, how can you toss two coins together? Let's suppose if you are tossing, suppose it is first coin, it is second coin. In first coin, head can come, and second coin, and in first coin, tail can come. Now suppose first coin head is coming and second one is also head is coming. In first one tail is coming and second one head is coming. Or might be in first one head comes and second one tail comes, or first one tail comes, second one also tail comes. Right? So this can be possible. So there are total four outcomes. Right? There are total four outcomes. So whenever you toss two coins together, there are possible four outcomes. Okay. Now, next question, question 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcome of an event of getting what? A prime number. When you throw a dice. Okay, so how many outcome, like what are the possible outcomes? So when a dice is thrown, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, a prime number. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2. 1 is not prime number. 2, 3, and 5. There are 3 prime number. So, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number. So, prime number, there are 2, 3, and 5. These 3 are the prime numbers. Not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3 we have taken. 4 is not a prime number. And 6 is not a prime number. A number greater than 5. 6 is the number which is greater than 5. A number not greater than 5. 1 is not greater than 5. 2 is not greater than 5. 3 is not greater than 5. 4 is not greater than 5. Even 5 is not greater than it. Okay, it is equal to it, but it is not greater than. There are 5 outcomes. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the probability of the pointers stopping on D in question A. Question 1A. Okay. Here you need to find, in this question only you need to find the probability of pointer stopping on D. Okay. So now how we will find? First of all, we will write total outcomes. Okay. Third question A bit. Here we are writing total outcomes. Okay. Now total outcomes, how many parts it has made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has made 5 parts. Okay. Now event is stopping at D. So favorable outcome, how many times D is coming? Only one time D is coming. So favorable outcome 1. So what will be the probability? Probability will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable outcome 1, total outcome 5. So probability is 1 by 5. Okay, clear? Now second one, probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Oh, now see, there is a deck of cards. How many cards are there total? 52 cards. Now, how many ace? In cards, children, there are 4 ace. Okay, so third B I'm doing here. Now, total outcomes, if I talk about, so there are total 52 cards. Okay. Now, if I talk about favorable outcomes, so what is the event? Event is getting an ace. How many ace are there in a deck of cards? There are 4 ace. Now, what is the probability? So, probability will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So favorable 4, total 52. 4 ones are 4, 4 13s are 52. So it is 1 by 13. So answer is 1 by 13 here. Third, probability of getting a red apple. Okay. Yes, it's a red apple. Now, if we see this 3C, in this shape we have to see. So now here total outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes, it means we need to see the event. Event is what? Getting a red apple. 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, 4 red. There are 4 red. 4. So probability is what? Favorable outcomes upon total outcome. Favorable is 4, total is 7. So probability is 4 by 7. So your answer is 4 by 7. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says, number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability? Now see, 1 to 10 numbers are written. It means here total outcomes are 10. Okay, fine. Now getting a number 6. How many times 6 is coming? Only one time. So here favorable outcome is 1. So here if I find probability is what? Favorable outcome upon total outcome. Favorable is 1, total is 10. Answer is 1 by 10. Now getting a number less than 6. How many numbers are less than 6? Less than 6, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. 5 numbers are less than 6. So in this case, how many favorable outcomes will be there? Total 5. So what is the probability here? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 5, total is 10, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Clear? Now, third bit. Getting a number greater than 6. How many? This third bit I'm doing here. Fourth question, third bit. How many numbers are greater than 6? Greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 outcomes. So what will be the probability? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable are 4 and total is 10. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So here answer will be, for this answer is 2 by 5. Okay, clear? Now, fourth bit. Okay, I'll erase this so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Now, fourth bit. Getting a one-digit number. How many one-digit numbers are there? Favorable outcomes. How many one-digit number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 numbers which are one digit. So favorable outcomes 9. What is the probability? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. There are 9 favorable, total 10. 9 by 10 is the answer. Clear? Okay. Now move to question number 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Okay. So we'll do this question. Yes. So now these two questions, right. So now here we are going to do these two questions. Now see children. Yes. Now question number 5 says if, yes. So there are 3 green sectors. So total outcomes, if I talk about 3 green plus 1 blue plus 1 red. Okay. So total is 3 plus 4 plus 5. Total outcomes 5. We need to find the probability of getting a green sector. So favorable outcomes, it means green sector. How many green sectors are there? Green 3. So what is the probability? Probability of getting a green sector. Okay, green, there are 3, total is 5. So probability is 3 by 5. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now, second, what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? So probability of getting non-blue. So favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now, how many are non-blue? This is not blue, this is not blue. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 are not blue and total 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Fine. Now, sixth question. Find the probability of events given in question 2. Okay. So question number 2. Okay. Now we need to find its probability. Okay. Yes, children. So I'll do one thing. I'll take this question separately. So it will be easy for you also to understand. Where we need to find probability of each and every. Okay. Now, yes. This is question number 6, where we need to find probability of each and every event. Okay. Now, total outcomes. First, I'm writing total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because when we throw a dice, there are total 6 outcomes. Okay. Now, A bit prime number. So 2, 3, and 5 are the prime numbers. So how many favorable outcomes? There are 3 favorable outcomes. So probability will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, good. Now B, not a prime number. Now, how many numbers are not a prime number? 1, 4, and 6. These 3 numbers are not a prime number. So how many favorable outcomes? Again, 3 favorable outcomes. So probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So 3 by 6. This is 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Now, yes. And this is the first bit. Now, second bit. A number greater than 5. A number which is greater than 5. So how many favorable outcomes are there? Number greater than 5. First, let's see. Only 6 is the number greater than, so favorable outcome 1. So probability will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes 1 by 6. Now B, a number is not greater than 5. It means it is less than 5. Less than 5, it means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So favorable outcomes are 5. So probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Favorable is 5, total is 6. So 5 by 6 is the answer. Right? I hope it's clear to you. So with this, we have just completed our chapter. We have completed exercise 4.2. So in the next video, we'll discuss few questions as worksheet. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and do revise.